Welcome to the Unreal BootCamp lesson on installing the BrainCloud Unreal plugin. A quick note, if you want to install the Unreal plugin as a Git submodule, skip this lesson and start the next lesson instead. To download the BrainCloud Unreal plugin, start by clicking the Team tab at the top left corner. Click Download Client Libs. Click the Unreal link. This will open a GitHub repository to the Unreal BrainCloud client source code. Scroll down and click the first link under Packages. Click the plugin link for the most recent release, in this case it's 4.14.0. Then click the source code zip to start the download. Once your download is finished, extract the contents of the zip file. Then, in the root directory of your Unreal project, create a new folder and name it Plugins. Navigate into the newly created Plugins folder, and then create a folder called BC Client. Open the BC Client folder and copy the contents of the extracted BrainCloud Client plugin folder into the BC Client folder. Navigate back to the root directory of your Unreal project. Generate the Xcode project or Visual Studio solution file. Once that's done, open the Xcode or Visual Studio project. If you're on Mac OS and running an Apple Silicon Mac like I am, you may need to update and build before you can set the build target to My Mac. Run the project to open up the Unreal editor. Once the Unreal editor is open, click Edit, then Plugins. Search for BrainCloud. Then click the Enable checkbox. This will require a restart of the Unreal editor. You will get a notification about missing modules. Click Yes to rebuild them now. Once the Unreal editor reopens, open the Plugins window if it didn't already, and then search for the BrainCloud plugin to confirm that it is in fact enabled. Initializing the BrainCloud wrapper is the next lesson in the Unreal BootCamp.